Hello everyone, I'm Kerry-Lou and welcome to Silver Style Studio. Yay, it's here. My package came from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love this brand, but more so at the moment because they're doing a collab with one of my favorite stars, Jennifer Coolidge. I am obsessed with her, especially since watching her in the hit TV series White Lotus. So let me show you what I have here. It's the Jennifer Coolidge Dirty Pillows Lip Kit, and it has sold out in one day. But don't worry, they do plan to restock soon, so go onto the wait list. Here goes. Okay, here it is. Don't you love an unboxing? I do. Here we go. Ooh la la. Will you look at this? Soft, silky, sensual, just like Jennifer Coolidge. It's beautiful. Let me show you a close-up. I can't wait to try this. I want those Jennifer Coolidge pouty lips. So let's see what we have here. We have a mirror that's really super cute. It comes in a little pouch. We have the Cream Glide lip liner in full frontal. Don't you love these names? We have the O-Face satin lipstick, a satin finished lipstick in Dirty Pillows, which is a rosy pink. And finally, we top it off with the lip plumping lip gloss. So what should we start with? I always like to start with the lip pencil. I'm getting closer and closer to you here. Okay, I'm going to start with the lip pencil. Oh, I love this color already. Let me just do a little on my hand so you can see the color. This is like the perfect nude. It's not too orangey, not too brown. It's just a nice neutral color. Perfect for making that Jennifer Coolidge pout. Okay, I am going a little too far over my natural lip line, but come on, I want to get that Jennifer Coolidge pout. It's the only way. Wow, it's looking good already. I'm going to draw it into my lips a little bit. Okay, next for the lipstick. So just as a reminder, it's called Dirty Pillows, and it's kind of like a dirty rose. Reminds me of one of my school friends, Dirty Rose. Where could she be now? Oh well. Maybe a little too peachy for me. I'm going to get a tissue. I'll be right back. Okay, I blotted it down a bit because it was a little bit too peachy looking for me. But hopefully the gloss is going to bring back a little bit of the pink, because I absolutely love the lip pencil, and the lipstick is good if you like a warm pink. I usually like my pinks on the cool side, or at least neutral. So let's try this. Oh, now you're talking. Wow, my lips do look fuller, don't they? What? Now let me see if I can remember some of my favorite Jennifer Coolidge lines. All right, here goes. Do you know those gays? They're trying to murder me. No.
Please, these gays, they're trying to murder me. Me capisce?
Okay, I really do like this trio. I think my lips look very pouty. The lip gloss actually gives like a peppermint kind of tingly feeling, and it really does seem to make my lips more pouty and full. So I really like that. I'm not quite used to such a warm color, but I think I should be a bit more open-minded because I think it does look nice. And I think this is something that Jennifer Coolidge can be very proud to endorse. Let me know what you think. That's it from me for now. See you next time.